Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to talk about niche research using FlyingResearch. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. As I was saying, the tool we're going to use today is FlyingResearch. FlyingResearch is the same company as FlyingUpload. So when you subscribe to FlyingResearch, you will also have access to FlyingUpload, depend on what you choose. When you are on FlyingResearch, if you look on the left here, you have the research option. The first link here is the bestseller. When you click on the bestseller, you're going to be driven to the bestseller homepage, where you will have all the bestseller with all marketplaces. This is a good occasion for me to show you that on all the market other places, people are making sales. I know people that are, for example, in the German market that are able to generate $15,000 per month. So definitely, if you are in higher tier, it is very important to try to upload design on the other marketplaces as well. And even the t-shirts that are making sales are not always in German. You also have English design that are selling very well in the German market. And if you want to see that, you can simply go to the marketplace, select the Germany market and click on the search, and you're gonna see here the first one are gonna be in German, but definitely if you go down, you will see multiple English design that are making sale. For example, this one, I don't like morning people, it's in English and the BSR is 10,000. So definitely a good seller. But since everyone is focused on the US market, let's go to the .com, United States, and click on the search. Doing that, you will have the bestseller design based on BSR, but you can sort as well based on review, based on price, based on the newest, oldest, or randomly. Okay. When you have because you have the advanced option here, you will be also able to hide the brands, to exclude keyword, to filter by subcategory and even by BSR. And the most powerful tool that I really like here is the date range. For example, here I can look for, if I look on the past 2 weeks, let's say from the 20th of June up to today, what design have been created and already make sale. I can select the date range here and click on the search button, and you will see that these are the designs that have been created recently and that are making sales. If I to show you the right example, to prove you, if I go to Amazon, you're gonna see that the date this t-shirt was made available is June 17th. So pretty much 1 week ago, and already it is making sale. So definitely a powerful tool that you have here. Most of the people will go on incognito, type amazon.com, and they're gonna first of all change the address to have the US, and then they will have to go to the past 30 days. On Amazon, you can only look for the items that have been created in the past 30 days, but with FlyingResearch that we have here, everything is in there in the database. You enter the date that you want to filter, not 30 days, it can be 1 day, 2 days, etc. And you have your items, your trending design basically. This is how we are calling them, as you already know. These are the trending design. These are all based on women, as you can see, human right, on women right, etc. It is really trending right now. If you want to create design on this category, please make your due diligence to avoid copyright items, etc. The next menu that we have here is the seller trend. Again, you will have all the marketplaces, but you can select the .com and it will show you the trending design. But these are basically the same that we selected previously with the date range. As you can see here, the same US, the same woman, right, etc., etc. You can even check the deleted items, design that have been created and deleted for some reason. So this is a good thing sometime to come here and check the design that have been recently deleted to make sure that your design is not in there or your code, etc., is not in there. Just make sure you do this thing. You can also do the real-time search Everything is well explained. Is well explained here. And the most powerful tool, really interesting, that I like is that on each pages that you have right there, there is an help and tutorial here, a video tutorial. So for each menu, you have a video tutorial where the creators of FlyingResearch will go in there and show you exactly what you need to expect about the tool. If you're interested, there's a link below that you can use to have Flying Upload. This is a tool I use myself. I'm mostly using it, as I showed you in the previous video, for Flying Upload, and I also use the better design as well when I want to look for niches. This is what I want to show you today. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.